Welcome to this short video on my solution to the regular expression easy practice quiz, or however you can say that. So this is the easy quiz, and it's a practice, and we have to write a regular expression that recognizes valid US phone numbers. The format is a 3-digit area code followed by a dash or a space, then a 3-digit exchange code followed by a dash or a space, and finally a 4-digit subscriber number. It has some valid phone numbers. We have some not valid phone numbers. Those are international phone numbers. And so here's the instructions. So we want to, when we're ready, so we press start, and then there'll be a timer at the bottom, and then I'll enter my regular expression in the box here, and then I'm trying to match the valid regular US phone number. So let's hit start. And so the timer says I've got 10 minutes to do this quiz. It'll be much shorter than that. So I need to find 3 numbers that begin at the end of the line, because I can see the data that everything's on its own line. So I can say beginning a line character, and I can say I want a thing saying 0 through 9. And you see when I finish a valid regular expression, it's matched all the beginning characters. So now I could say I want another 0 through 9, and then another 0 through 9. And notice that it's now only matching the first 3 characters, digits, not the 8-9 dash or the 8-9 slash. Those don't match because you don't have a 3rd digit. So now we have a space or a dash. So again, I want to say a space or a dash. And then, again, you can see where I've matched the space, I've matched the dash, I've matched the dash. So I'm so good. Now I want to match 3 numbers, so I can change, instead of 0 through 9, I can use the /d, which is a digit. I can do that 3 times. That matches the exchange code. Now I want my space or a dash. And then I want my 4 subscriber number, so I can do my D, and I can use my open curly brace and say 4. And those match the valid phone numbers in the data. And then just to be totally secure, I'm going to say I want the end of character, so that this will match valid phone numbers if there's only a phone number on the line. So if I say I want a valid phone number anywhere in the data, I can remove the end of line character and the beginning of line character. And so now this expression will recognize valid phone numbers anywhere in the text. You may want to say, oh, depending on your text, you might want to say, oh, I want a space in front, but then because we don't have any spaces in front, that doesn't match anything. Similarly, you may want to say I want a space at the end, but since we don't have, the data doesn't have space at the end, I don't want that. So there's my regular expression that matches valid phone numbers for the data that I'm given. And that's something to think about when you're writing regular expressions. If you know what the data is looking like, then you could write different regular expressions based upon the data. So this is one example of solving the problem. I did 3 different ways of selecting the digits. I have my space or my dash, and then my 3 digits, space or dash, and then 4 digits. So there you go. Very simple, easy regular expression. And this tool allows you to play with your regular expressions and see the results when it highlights the data. Thank you very much. I can hit stop and say I am done. And thank you very much.